This recipe is quick, easy to make, but very flavorful with eggs and onions. Take 2 onions, cut them in half and slice them. Now separate the rings like this. Next, in a pan, olive oil to taste. Add the onions and fry until golden, stirring constantly. Once they reach this color, we remove them and set aside. Take a bowl and add 4 eggs. Season to taste with salt, paprika, dried parsley, and black pepper. Now just beat. Add the onions we prepared and chopped scallions to taste. Mix. Back to the pan, add another drizzle of olive oil. Pour in the beaten eggs and spread them evenly in the pan. Cook for 15 minutes, then we'll check how it looks. It's firm now, so let's flip it using a plate and place it back in the pan. Let it finish cooking for another 4 minutes on low heat. And just like that, our onion omelet is ready. Golden and full of flavor, perfect for anyone looking for a quick, practical, and delicious meal. Try making it at home, I'm sure you'll love it. If you enjoyed this recipe, leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more easy tips like this. And let us know in the comments, what did you think? Would you do anything differently? Thanks for watching and see you next time.